it's Christina Joy. So welcome back to another video. Y'all, I know my voice is very hoarse right now. I had a great time at a concert. Y'all will see in a vlog coming soon. But I wanted to come to y'all today to show y'all this beautiful jewelry from this company. Let's get into this video. So on today's video, this is something kind of new to what I usually do on this channel because I'm more into beauty and hair care. But I love fashion, and with fashion we have jewelry. Thank you so much to Mint and Lily for sponsoring this video. So Mint and Lily is a jewelry company that is based in San Francisco, and the reason why I like this brand so much, because y'all know I had to do my research. I'm someone who's very picky with my jewelry because my skin is very sensitive. I just threw away like 5 pieces of earrings that I bought a few weeks ago for vacation because my ears were itching afterward. Y'all know if y'all let that itching go on and on, your skin condition can get worse and worse. And I don't like going through that. So I'm really picky when it comes to jewelry. This jewelry brand, like one of their #1 missions is to have jewelry that is designed to be tarnish resistant and also long lasting. So most of their pieces on their site are made from materials stainless steel, gold vermeil, and also sterling silver. So great materials to choose from that are safe for your body. That's what I love the most. All right, so now we're gonna get into the specific pieces that I do have. So I don't know if y'all can tell the difference, but I do not have on any jewelry at all. I don't have anything on. I wanted to introduce the pieces to y'all first and put them on so that y'all can go through the video and see the difference that it makes. The first piece of jewelry that I want to show y'all is the open heart paperclip bracelet. So this is what it looks like. So it has like the paperclip type of chain, and then the heart is open. So yes, this is the bracelet. This bracelet is made from waterproof surgical grade stainless steel, and then it's plated with 18K gold. So of course, like I said, all the pieces that I got, and I'm pretty sure all the pieces on their site, are not only waterproof but also tarnish resistant. I really do like this bracelet. It's like a deep gold, and it's just so pretty, like against my skin. I really do love it. Like, y'all know gold goes with everything, and I have no complaints. Like, it fits my wrist perfectly fine, and it still gives it room for any other space. So yeah, this is the bracelet. All right, so moving on to rings. When I was searching the website, it was so many options to choose from, but I had to buckle down to what I thought was the cutest. And of course, I'm a Leo, so I had to do something with my zodiac sign. So I got a ring. Actually, I got 2 rings, but we're gonna get into one and another. So this ring that I got, so this is the Minimalist Zodiac Stacking Band. It is hypoallergenic. So this is what it looks like on. It has nickel-free casted material to not irritate or discolor the skin. And this ring is 18 karat gold and rose gold plating. It has the beautiful Leo sign. Moving on to the next ring. Leo season coming up too, so don't do me, y'all. But this is another Leo inspired ring. It is the Dainty Gold Birth Flower ring, and I got it in the Leo Poppy. This is it. This ring is so pretty, y'all. It's like one of those Disney princesses. I don't know if it's like Belle or if it's Cinderella or it's Sleeping Beauty. I don't know. But somebody gets like a really pretty rose like this. This is what that rose looks like. So it has like a little gem in the middle. Y'all, it is so cute. And also what I like about this ring is that it is adjustable. So if you're within the ring sizes 5 to 9, this ring will be perfect for you. But yeah, it's just so pretty. Like, and it's just so simple. And I like that with their rings, you can also stack them. So they could go together with other rings. And this is 18 karat gold plated, if you wanted to know. All right, let's get to my favorite part, earrings. These are the Lynette large hoop earrings, and this is what they look like. They are so cute. I'm about to put them on for y'all so y'all can see. It has like this type of clasp. So these are the earrings. So just like all of the pieces that I just talked about, the materials of these earrings is the waterproof surgical grade stainless steel, and then it is plated with 18 karat gold. So honestly, this jewelry is really nice. I've been washing my hands with it, doing errands with them, grocery shopping, wearing them out on the town. I really like these pieces that I got. The overall rating that I will give this company is a 9.7 out of 10. Yes, a 9.7 out of 10. The reason I gave it a 9.7 out of 10 was only because for these earrings, the clasp is a little different, so I'm still trying to work with it to figure out how I do it, because the way that it is, like, you take it apart and it can go either up or down, and this part goes inside of here. But it's kind of hard to tell when your clasp has gone inside when it's on your ear. But now you have to like push it in and kind of like wait to hear like a little snap. That's what I usually try to hear for. And I don't hear it, so it just feels a little, it might not be as secure. But they do feel secure, like I've been wearing them. It's just been on the back of my mind when I wear them. So I still want to rate them a really good rating. I know I have these pieces for a very long time, and I will give me some more pieces. So if you would like to receive these same pieces or similar pieces from Mint and Lily, I do have a discount code for you. So the code to get 20% off your entire purchase from Mint and Lily, my code is ChristinaJ20. Use that code at checkout to get 20% off your entire purchase from Mint and Lily. I want to thank y'all, my lovelies, for always supporting me and watching my videos. Make sure that you check out mintandlily.com to get you some beautiful pieces. They really have some nice pieces for y'all. I also want to thank Mint and Lily so much for reaching out to me and sending me these pieces. They are beautiful pieces. I cannot wait to see y'all in the next video. Bye.